Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol AMRN. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis on Monday, so that's where the red and green line annotations are coming from. But after today's price movement, definitely some updates need to be made. And now there's a pressing question that's at the, that's more than logical to ask, and that question revolves around the fact that the price has made a very, very nice bounce. I mean, from where it was just a couple days ago to where it closed right now, any rational person would say, yeah, that's been a very nice bounce. But that does lead to the question now of, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength, or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? I have no idea, but like I said, by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around the $13 mark. And why is that the case? Well, first off, this is just update right here is based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closes above, you want to see them act as support, especially in this case. Why so? Well, hopefully we can agree on the logic that price movements with genuine power, with true strength, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, if a price movement is truly strong, it's not going to go back to where it was. That'd be a total contradiction. Exactly. So with that in mind, think about 13. Any sort of closes below there, or worse yet, if the price separates to the downside, what would that be doing to the price? That would literally be putting the price right back inside of this area of the chart that it just broke out from. Again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say the price pulls back here. However, in this situation, behaves like that, goes sideways, and starts to work its way back upwards. What would you have here? Well, you'd have a set of lows at that point. You'd have a set of lows down there. If you envision each one of those as stair steps, well, hey, now you have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward. And in this situation, I'm just quantifying and defining the term progress as, again, the $13 mark. What about areas of resistance? As far as where the sellers are currently hanging out at, next key level of resistance, keep an eye on right up there around $14.20, which was a former area of support from back here in December 20th. So the early 20s of December, but not necessarily early December. All in all, though, awesome day today. There's no doubt about that. Great bounce. Now it's just a question of, can the bulls continue to build upon this momentum and build upon the bounce? We will see. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.